Hi, my name is Richard Kolich. I'm the CEO over at Gsts. And what we do is we provide predictability, optimization, and risk management solutions for the ocean and supply chain sector. Because we actually were created as a requirement from the Canadian and US governments, where there was a need identified by the governments in Canada after 9/11 to develop a system to track all the ships all around the world all the time. I led the team that designed, built, and launched the world's first dedicated commercial maritime monitoring satellites. And since that time, we've developed solutions for security, risk management, optimization, and predictability to help move the goods and people around the world in a safe, efficient manner. So the opportunities in the ocean sector offer a lot of benefits for people that may not have thought about entering that sector. There's a lot of high-tech capabilities. So in our organization, we use data scientists, artificial intelligence specialists, machine learning specialists, working with sensors from the latest satellites, the latest systems that are out there. So it's opening a whole new sector that is very high-tech, and in our particular case, it's real-time. So being a member of the Ocean Supercluster has benefited us in three ways. Number one is exposure to customers. The other one is in terms of partnerships. So we are establishing partnerships with people that provide an element of the solution that we can integrate our systems into. And the third is suppliers. So there are many people in the Ocean Supercluster and other programs developing new technologies that provide new data sets. So our platform, Oceana, is a decision support system. It ingests data from multiple data sources, about 20 data sources at the moment, and it provides decision support intelligence through the use of artificial intelligence algorithms, which is the niche of what we do. The differentiator that we have with our system is that we can configure it for any customer anywhere in the world based on three parameters: the geographic location, the operational requirements or capability that exists at a port or shipping line, and the regulatory requirements. So Oceana is designed specifically in the risk sector to provide solutions for the security, environmental, and commercial sectors. On the security side, we can identify vessels that may be embargo running. So maybe a vessel that has aligned with another tanker that is transferring fuel at sea. They turn their transmissions off. We can detect them by various means. We can detect that a vessel is off course and therefore presents an environmental risk. The commercial risk is what I call tom-tom for ships. So recently you had the captain who was traveling too close to the island, not in accordance with the policy and safety regulations. He was representing a commercial risk to the shipping line. We could have informed the shipping line that the captain was acting in an unsafe manner, and therefore they could have addressed it and prevented the vessel being lost along with the loss of life. Our system provides solutions for ports, shipping lines, and pilotage authorities, and so they're going to a particular location, to a particular port, and we've been working with several ports to provide information on what speed should they go to arrive at the right time, because when there's an accident on the road and everybody takes a different route, just like the ships, the question becomes, well, when is my berth going to be available? The shipping lines or the charters benefit by reducing fuel consumption. Climate change benefits by reducing emissions overall. What we're doing is we're using pattern of life analytics, monitoring 200,000 vessels in real time and the ports they're going to be able to demonstrate what speed should you go, where should you go, and how should you get there so that everyone can transfer goods and people in a safe, secure, and environmentally friendly manner. So we understand that Canada is looking to increase revenue in the ocean sector by about 5 times. From our perspective, this aligns perfectly with our growth objectives. The solutions that we provide are enabled by a new data set, allowing you to manage the movement of vessels that was never possible before. So this clearly will align with Canadian security, supply chain resilience, and environmental protection capability, allowing us to roll out new capabilities that apply from coast to coast to coast, as well as being able to roll this capability out around the world.